Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a short but detailed video on how to apply false lashes. So if you struggle with applying false lashes, then continue watching and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, so as most of you know, I sell false eyelashes. I get probably about 60% of people who buy them asking me how to put them on, complaining that it's difficult, saying they can't do it, they need help from other people. So I feel like it'll be a helpful video if I do another how to apply eyelashes. I'm going to show you the way I do it, the things that I use, the glue that I use, the lashes I use, everything like that. So yeah, it's going to be quite a short video, but I want to do quite a deep explanation at the same time. So if you don't know how to apply lashes, then I'm your girl. So you're going to need you're going to need three things. So the first thing that you're going to need obviously is eyelashes. I'm using Jasminnneamy lashes, pixie lashes, as I haven't done quite an extra look today and I am going out, so I thought if I add these, it's going to add a bit of glam to my face rather than just using subtle lashes. So you'll need a set of lashes. I will leave the link in the description if you would like to use my lashes. And you're going to need some tweezers. I personally use these tweezers because they are pointy, as you can see, and it's just really easy to get right into the inner corner with those. So that is the only reason I use those. Also, I don't like using my fingers because if I use my fingers, I end up getting my eyeshadow all messed up, my eyeliner all messed up, and I'd just rather not, to be honest. The glue that I'm going to use is an absolute mess at the minute, this tube. It is Technique false eyelash glue. I used to use Allure lash glue, I've used Primark lash glue, I've used all sorts, and this is the only lash glue that is like super glue. Like once they're on, they're not coming off. I used to have this problem with the Primark glue where they'd always come off in the inner corners. The Allure glue, they'd come off in the middle. Like it wasn't the way I was applying it because I'd apply them 4 or 5 different ways to see if it was me, and it wasn't. So I use this glue, and no matter how bad you are at putting them on, no matter how much you struggle, this will work. Like it sticks and it has one job and it does it, so I'm happy about this. So I'm going to be using a fresh pair of Jasminnneamy lashes. When you take lashes out of the packaging for the first time, I'd recommend using tweezers, and what I do is them from the inner corners just to try and pull the glue off and carefully just unattach because they are kind of like glued in. Yeah, and just very carefully pull them off. We will just work with one at a time here. Make sure you don't mix up which eyelash goes on which eye, because some lashes you can tell, like obviously, and other lashes it's quite hard to tell which is left and which is right. So obviously the inner corners are in the middle, so this will be the right eyelash. What I'll do now is I'll hold the lashes by the hairs. Don't push down too hard on them because they will straighten, and I just apply not a thick layer, not a thin layer either, just an average amount of glue. If you are wearing eyeliner, I suggest that you either get black eyelash glue. You can get this glue in black or clear. I suggest that you use the black eyelash glue, or when you have applied your eyeliner and you put the lash on, I'd very much so suggest that you go over the top of the lash band with some eyeliner, or else it will be very obvious that where the band is and it won't look too great. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for this glue to get tacky. So you don't want to put them on when the glue is too wet because they won't stick properly, or they will, but you won't be able to get them in the right place and you'll have to hold them down for ages. There's just really no point. Or if you put them on too late, the glue will not be sticky enough and they won't stick to your face. so that's not great. But we're just going to wait. It kind of goes a light blue colour. You can't really see, yeah you can. It kind of goes like that light blue colour when it's beginning to go tacky. So now I'm going to grab the tweezers just where the lashes like finish and where the band starts. I always start with the outer corner first, so I'm just going to, hold on, hold your horses honey. I'll just zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm just going to look down into a mirror so that you can see exactly what's going on. That'll assure that you get as close as possible to your lash line. And I'm just going to kind of apply it to where I want it to be. And then grab by near the lash line and hold it down for a few seconds. And then do the inner corner. Then the centre. If you are finding that the lashes and your lashes don't look like they work, kind of like just squish the band to your lashes with the tweezers. That will make it all seem a little bit more natural. And I do apply mascara back over the top, but I'm going to just apply the other one first so that the glue has time to settle properly. Because you don't want to be applying mascara over the top when the glue's not dry, because the lashes will just come off. So I'm just kind of making sure they're in place. Okay, so now that the glue will have dried on my right eye, I'm just going to go over quite lightly the top lashes with some mascara. Just making sure that the false lashes really flow into my natural lashes. That is my explanation on how to apply lashes. So if you did enjoy the video, please do leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in my next one.